Oh, hiya, Ilia here. Got a bit of late breakfast. Yes. And a cup of tea. What's that? Bacon, beans, potatoes boiled, and then in the oven, and a bit of lettuce and mayo on the side. Oh yeah, baby bell. Yeah, got it in the oven for a bit of easier cleaning, and convenient cooking. So just throw this thing away. And just a little bit of a clean. Oh yeah, gotta enjoy that. Oh yeah. Oh, I'm forgetting something. Parsley from the garden. Just a sec. All right, got a bit of parsley in the garden, in between the strawberries and other flowering plants, and of course this beautiful white rose. Oh, smells amazing. Oh yes. Oh yeah. Anyway, so just got a bit of flowering parsley. I think that's what it is. Rather than coriander. Well, that'll do. Not bad. It's definitely parsley. Smells like it. I know it is. I'm just picking random plants. Right, I got it. Watch this and chop it up. Just a sec. Oh, right. So chopped up the parsley, putting it on there. Trying to leave the little thick stems a bit solid. Don't need those. Yeah. Some big bit. There we go. All right. Gotta enjoy that. All right. Cheers.